So guys, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Hello and welcome to our channel. So here we have another video for you, and this video is basically a paradox named PowerPoint Supremacy Paradox. In this video, we'll be devising some points to create the perfect PowerPoint presentation ever and unlock the paradoxical mystery in a few folds. So without wasting much time, let's go. So first of all, a little bit brief of a paradox. A paradox is a really interesting thing which states two different contrasting things at the same time, and I love paradox. You too, because you are watching this video now. To make the presentation really interactive, may it be in sense of cuteness or some sort of coolness, making it funky so that the viewer gets attached to the presentation and the feeling binds them all around. So let's start before you are ready. That's the main key point to a perfect presentation, that start before you are ready, because as long as you'll wait for being ready, time will pass and you will not be able to complete it till your deadline. So start before you're ready, because your ideas will only ignite when you start before even thinking anything. That's the basic key. So the first key point is don't start with templates. So the basic thing why I'm saying this is, when we start with templates limit ourselves, and that's the main thing due to which we get binded in the surroundings and the resources which we use in that template. And using a template reduces our creativeness, and we don't add our touch, the personal touch to that PPT, and it lacks somewhere, and that keeps it away from being the perfect one. And for that same thing, we have many different websites like SlidesGo and Slides Carnival and etc. websites, from where you can fetch different templates, and they are really impressive ones. And the main key thing, don't start with a template, rather than you can use some objects from the templates, like here you can see a wolf, a fox, and different GIFs or robot AI things from that template, which can make it even more interactive. Now, coming on to the second point, explore new fonts. Why this is important is that whenever you write something in your presentation, it should be equally attractive as the elements of that presentation. So using new fonts is always a really good option, and you can explore new different fonts from different websites. But there is one website which I would like to suggest you, and that's providing each and every font for free. That is everyone's favorite, Google Fonts. You can get any font which you want with just searching it. And also the really impressive thing is that you can add the sample text, like I've added enjoy your life, and you can see how different fonts work. Like I like this one, the Potta one, so it will help me download the font family and I can use it in my projects or the presentations in future. Now coming on to the third and the most important point, that be systematic and be creative. This is the main backbone of your presentation. Being systematic refers to aligning all the items in your presentation, and being creative, add your own touch. Your presentation should represent your style. how your work and how you express things in your real life should be displayed in your presentation. And as the quote written down here reads, so as this quote reads, whatever you do, do it well. So doing it well, as Walt Disney had said it, so we should always do everything to our optimum level to bring our all effort in it. Last but not the least, your presentation is so much precious to yourself, so you don't forget to save it time by time, because it is the most painful thing when we lose our presentation because of just not one save. So don't forget to save your presentation. It's a caution. And as you can see, this thing seems very interactive and really impressive because of the background and the selection of fonts. This is how a perfect thing represents your style in your presentation. Since I have devised this paradox, let me state it to you. It states that you can never make the perfect PowerPoint presentation until and unless you compare it with someone else's presentation. But you just made one, no? So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and share and comment your valuable views in the comment section. Also do subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.